Finding solutions for the lack of space in tiny houses has become a necessity. With the right furniture, you can expand your small living space and make your small apartment look more spacious. And here are some creative and smart storage ideas for your small apartment. PATRIS Expanding Table. This modular dining table can expand up to 3 meters. It is the best solution for every tiny apartment. It is made of a simple and very strong metallic mechanism. It has magnifying plates that can be stored inside the table. Need to squeeze a workspace into your home? This multifunction bed is the perfect choice for students. The bed can turn into a study table, and it has a sliding cabinet with multiple shelves to store your things. Here is another multifunctional bed. Not as sophisticated or as fancy as the previous one, but takes relatively less space. Tell us which one you prefer in the comments section. Nova Quincy-Apartments. This comfy and fully furnished smart studio apartment is perfect for people who live in a shared apartment but also want their private space. The apartment is equipped with Ori smart furniture that moves with your needs to create multiple rooms within one space. From living rooms to closets to bedrooms to private offices, the right space is revealed when you need it. This is a magnificent dressing table if you are space lacking. It has everything you need: 2 mobile drawers, a folding mirror, and an integrated chair. Podium-Atelie. The Podium Studio Company has extensive experience in the production of podiums with roll-out beds and hidden storage systems to save space. This creative project contains 2 hidden roll-out beds, a large study table with shelves for books, and a well-designed wardrobe. Joseph Productions. This compact folding design is ideal if you have limited storage space or just want to quickly iron 1 or 2 items. This condensed board takes ironing convenience. Yily Modern Recliner Living Room Set. Relax into the Yily reclining chair, featuring a power reclining seat, adjustable headrests, a USB port. It comes with a combination of top grain leather with a genuine split leather match on the back area for a smooth finish and provides lounging space for the whole family.